Hi everyone, welcome to today's video and back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today's video is a Zara haul. Come shopping with me. We will go and check out the new spring collection. I will try on as many pieces as possible to show you. Jackets, blazers, shoes, sandals. Let's see what new summer sandals they have. But before we are heading to the city, I wanted to talk a little bit about the eco lifestyle, the environment. You know, these days it's so important to think about the environment, and why not do that also when you shop? So I wanted to show you my latest watch from Green. It's this one I'm wearing right now. It is with stainless steel. If you never heard of Green before, they are based in Copenhagen and their designer is the award-winning Jakob Wagner, who was previously designing for Bang & Olufsen. If you love sleek, minimalist, timeless, classic timepieces, Green is the perfect brand for you. You can really see the Scandinavian design in their timepieces, so gorgeous. What I absolutely love about their brand is that all their materials and mission is to be sustainable. They always give percents of each sale to charitable organizations. On the website I show you the Giving Back program, and I show you here the NGOs they partner with. They partner with Provide Clean Water, Educate the Future, and Protect the Rainforest. So you just choose and can select which cause you want to support. If you are like me and also take care of the environment and like the eco lifestyle, this is really like a sustainable tip I can give to you. Have a look to Green watches. They have for female and male both the timepieces. They have many styles available. I also saw they just launched in April their brand new Guardian line, which looks absolutely beautiful and timeless, very modern design. And you know, the great thing about these watches, they are so classic that you can wear them always. If it's just for your daily outfits, when you combine this watch, if you're going to the office and work, this kind of watch you can always wear because it suits to like every outfit. You can also choose an additional strap to have an alternative and change the watch style. So you have basically two watches, which is pretty cool. Depends what you're wearing. You can match that to your watch so it suits your outfit. So it's quite cool. Then you have basically two watches. My additional strap, I chose the white vegan leather strap. Honestly, this vegan leather strap is so beautiful, soft, comfortable. I love it. It gives this amazing touch, and I think it looks absolutely perfect now for the summertime. And when you have a tan and then this beautiful white watch, it looks so stunning. To the watch comes also a certificate of authenticity, and there you have also the identification number. Keep in mind, Green offers worldwide free shipping and also returns, which makes the shopping experience even better. These kind of watches, they are also a great gift idea. You can use my code, I will leave it here on the screen and also down below in the description box, to get 15% off site-wide. So for today's outfit, I will keep on this watch with the stainless steel strap, which absolutely complements my look of the day. So this blazer I will wear on top of my denim shirt. And my handbag of the day, I chose this one here. So it's perfectly, I wear it cross-body, so I have my hands free later. And now I would say, let's go in the city. Okay, now let's go inside Zara and check out the new collection. Can't wait. Wow, what a suit! Full of lace, gorgeous. gorgeous. 79.95 €. And a nice top under it. And the matching pants. I think it looks so nice for the summertime. Now I will show you the pieces here. I should try it on for you. What do you think? So this is a medium. Let's check out if they have small. And these are the pants. How cool are they? Even separate. When you just wear them and then a nice shirt blues to it. And the pants are 49.95 €. Gorgeous. I'm trying on a size extra small. So this is perfect. Wow, I love the cut. I love the style. It's also like a, I don't know, like a Ibiza style, boho chic style. I don't know how to call it, but look, gorgeous details. This is also a piece when you have it for many years, people will ask you, wow, where did you get it? Yeah? And then you say like ages ago at Zara. I mean, cool and nice piece. And here on the side there's like a cutout. Wow, I love it. What do you think? Here I see some gorgeous sandals. Super nice nude color, very natural color. You can always combine too many outfits. That's the best. And these ones are 39.95 €. And I will try them on and show you. Trying them on in a 38, my usual size, and they fit perfectly. And I have to say, I already feel that I think they're quite comfortable also. What I like about them, that they also look quite chic for the day and gives you a nice casual chic look when you're wearing them. So I really like them. Here's a nice tweed blazer in white, a little bit longer one with this cute crystal buttons. They look so pretty. And let's check the price. This one is 79.95 €. Super nice. And I would say I will show you this one also on how it looks. So this blazer I'm trying on in a small, so it's really perfect from the size. I also love the fact that this one is a little bit longer one. So I don't know if it's like a real blazer or more like a blazer dress style, but it looks really nice and elegant, and I think it's so versatile. Really cute and nice white blazer here from Zara. Beautiful summer dress in like a blues kind of style with a belt in the waist. Super nice in this gorgeous dark blue and white color. This one is 39.95 €. Beautiful length. It's not too short but not too long, and also with the arms here, gorgeous. Super nice and casual for the day. Such a pretty white blazer. This one here, it looks quite chic and beautiful. This one is 59.95 €. Beautiful details here, gorgeous. I think it will be looking amazing. So I would say I will try this on and show you. So I'm trying on a size small. This one suits perfectly, and I absolutely love that the button is also in the same fabric in white. Looks really nice and chic and flattering, and in combination with the denim also, it's a cool stylish vibe, I would say. Really beautiful. Love it. Love this like a sweat kind of dress. Super gorgeous, the fabric, and also the color, like a nude beige color with a cute little crystals here. You can see and check the price out. 90.95. You can say nothing to that. And when you have a nice tan wearing this beautiful dress, I think it looks super nice. Here in Zara they have also some linen shirts. This one is a white one, 100% linen, and this one is 29.95 €. Super nice, gorgeous, flattering. I mean, this one is such a classic piece you can always wear, and they have many colors available. They have this dark green one, like an olive green, and they have this orange bright color one as well. Such a cute and adorable dress for the summertime. So pretty. This one is €35.95. It's a nice casual dress. It looks really nice, and with the ruffles here down there, super cute and sweet. Here they have also a blues version, really pretty, also with these cutout holes. This one is €35.95. Gorgeous, really nice and flattering. You can also combine it with a nice bikini under it. So cute. Cute tweed jacket here in a beige color with gold buttons, and here two pocket styles. This one is €49.95. A cute little nice jacket. I will try this on for you and show you. Trying on this cute jacket in a size small. Absolutely nice and beautiful. Love the gold buttons here. The size is perfect. I mean, if I want to have it more tight, I could go down to an extra small, but sometimes like a nice, like a slightly oversized jacket is also really nice. Also like the combination, like this creamy white color, gold buttons with a denim shirt. I think it looks super nice, cute, stylish. Also to this outfit, I could easily leave this on now. Here are some nice sandals with a nice thick heel, so I think you can walk with them very good. They are in black for €39.95, and then they come also in this beautiful brown shade. So I will show you both how they look on. So again, I'm trying on a size 38. They fit perfectly. I just walked here to the mirror, and they are so comfortable to walk in. And look, the heel, it's not too high, not too short, perfect size. And I think also the detail like in front, it makes it really quite nice, this shoe. So this one is the black one. Now I will show you also the brown one. So here you see the one in brown. They are also the same size, 38, very comfortable both. So let me know which one you would prefer, the black one or the brown one. I mean, it depends for what you're wearing them, so they can be both quite nice, but yeah. So these ones are also really beautiful. Here's another very beautiful summer dress for €39.95. Again with this gorgeous dark blue and like a cream color from the style. Longer version of this dress, super nice and flattering when you wear some flats or also high heels. It could be looking super nice for the summertime when you for your daily outfits. Cute blues here, like in a boho kind of Ibiza style with the embroideries here in like a very bright orange color. And this one is €29.95. Super nice for the summertime now. Gorgeous summer blues here with all these patterns and style in this beautiful like a purple kind of color, and this light cream color here. This one is €29.95. Maybe slightly see-through, but only slightly. Very thin fabric, so ideal for the hot summer days. To the blues they have a matching skirt. How cute is the skirt, please, with all these ruffles here. Very nice style, and here with like, it's like a knot. It looks like very cool for the day. This one is €25.95. You can wear it together, as I said, with the blues or separate. Cute summer dress here in white with a beautiful blue embroideries here. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one is €35.95. Very nice and lightweight fabric. It's like a blues kind of fabric. So really nice for the summertime. Here I see some cute like basket bags in like a basket style with a gold clip here, and in like a beautiful beige color here. And you have like the strap, you have a top handle, a short one, and on the handle is very long, so you can wear it like over the shoulders or crossbody style. And this one is €29.95. And then they have also this kind of basket style handbag with like a dark camel brown color here on top, and the strap here is a long one you can wear over the shoulders or crossbody. And this one is €29.95, so same price. Seeing some gorgeous sandals here, nude color with this beautiful colorful brush, and they are €39.95. And I will try on these for you so you know how they look on. So I'm trying on a 38. They fit perfectly. Yeah, maybe I could go down half size, but on the front where the brush is, they're a little bit tight, I have to say. I don't know if they are comfortable to walk in, but they look quite nice. Such a cool sandal I found here in hot pink color, or like a baby Barbie pink color, with glitter straps here. These are €49.95. So this is like a satin fabric here on the heel. Wow, what I see here, it looks like a strawberry bag. How much is this? This is €35.95. Wow, this looks so cool. So nice and cute, no? The cutest shoes I found today with this cute bow here in front. So adorable. Let's see the price. Oh, they are quite affordable. They are €22.95. So really nice and cute shoes. Look how cute they're looking on. So adorable. I think they look cuter, much cuter now when I'm having them on. So adorable. And they are so comfy. I'm wearing a size 38 and their size is perfect. I think they're so cute. What do you think from the shoes I tried on today? Which one would you get? So I think I'm for this one here. This blouse here looks quite interesting with gorgeous like cutout details, embroideries here. Beautiful. And this one is €29.95. And also what I just saw on the shoulders, you have these gorgeous details here. So nice. Here I found like a espadrille style shoes, and with a very huge like a gold brush here. Reminds me of the Gucci horse, what they have on their shoes. And this one is €29.95. So that's it from today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Zara, they have so many white pieces at the moment. Like the white blazer I tried on was super nice. Also the cute little tweed jacket is so adorable and nice with the gold buttons. Also they had some nice flat sandals. So overall I think really nice, beautiful summer pieces. Anyways, I will go now and leave you. Give me a like if you enjoyed watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love to have you here on the channel, and I see you on the next one. Ciao.